Friend no mra. Asoya. Oba. Asoya de na yefa.
Chima, what have I done?
Now what about what done? What am I about dying? And no can ever poof on. Chiwa, I eat my head then. Makato some year no. Mayina would dear and the abrosa ya going to me walk.
Stop talking. Insiotano was here and he nearly destroyed myself and my kingdom. And I couldn't let him destroy me because of Bayadensum. Do you understand? Not because of that small womb. My kingdom and myself will be destroyed. So I have to give the womb to him.
He's very powerful. Dead and one yard. One yard the crack. What may do who you? Many one I do must have a promise. And yet, then a woman was here. What you mean, so what?